I will now begin a lightning round of questioning. Please provide just a short response to the following issues. Climate change.
Wear a Speedo.
Cap and trade.
What?
Cap and trade.
No clue. Pass.
Government spending.
More of it.
Healthcare.
Get a good doctor.
Immigration.
Lung care.
Special interest groups.
Prostitutes.
Terrorism.
Profile and strip searches.
Torture.
Yeah, more of it.
Legalization of marijuana.
Got any papers?